the element of fire can be very powerful, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to use the power of candles to manifest the reality that you want. It's extremely powerful stuff, very, very potent. And if you think about it, on your birthday, what do? You buy cake, you light some candles, right? They celebrate, right? Once you celebrate your birthday, at the end, you're able to make a wish, right? And as you make that wish, you blow out the candles. This is a ritual. It's a very, very powerful ritual, but you can use it actually whenever you want. I'm going to be sharing with you how to tap into candle magic or candle manifestation to create the reality that you want. So before we get started, I just wanted to let you know, all you need is these simple tea light candles to make this work. You do not need big candles in order to see results with this. Simple tea light candles just like this works completely fine, and you can use this to manifest your reality. Now, there's a reason why I have 3 tea light candles in the shape of a triangle right now, or otherwise known as a pyramid, and I'm going to be talking about that as well. So before we begin today's video, you can get your free law of attraction energy reading inside the link in the description, where I'm going to be making a customized video just for you, where I will check your energy and where you resonate at vibrationally, and what you need to do in order to go ahead and manifest the reality that you want. So in the background, right over there, wait, this way, right here, that's the candles in the background that I got burning. And I actually burn candles pretty much every single day. And there's a reason for that. I'm going to show you why I do that and how it works. Plus I'm going to be sharing with you how to manifest using the power of candles. Plus I'm going to show you how to use a very powerful meditation to begin pulling in and attracting what it is that you want. So what's the deal with candles and how do they work? So first of all, you want to be burning white candles. And as you can see, the tea light candles that are over there, they are white candles. And there's a reason for this, and there's a reason why you want to use white. There are different colored kinds of candles. If you would like me to make a video on different color candles and what they do and how you can use them to manifest your reality, please comment below that you want that, and then I'll maybe make more videos on this. I will have an up and coming video on the amount of candles that you use and how that affects your ability to manifest and attract what you want in your life, because the number actually means something. And so with this setup that we have right now is very powerful for cleansing your home and cleansing your own energy as well. And so what you want to do is you want to go ahead, and the first thing you want to do is burn 3 candles, tea light candles just like this, every day for 9 days. Okay. And we're going to be using mainly 3, 6, and 9. You may have heard of Nikola Tesla using 3, 6, and 9. These are extremely powerful numbers and very, very magical numbers. With that being said, our entire reality is made up of these particular numbers, and when you can tap into them, you can be able to manifest what it is that you want. And so the 3, burning the candles, the way it's set up in a triangle, it's going to go ahead and cleanse any negative energy in the home. It's very cleansing, it's very pure, and it needs to be white. Remember, it needs to be white. And what it does is it just purifies the area, it cleanses the area, it gets rid of any negative energy, but it also calms down any sort of vibrating energy. This is kind of like feng shui, and understanding that your environment affects how you feel, and it affects the energy and how the energy moves in a particular room. So by doing this, you're cleaning up the energy, thus cleaning up your environment, and your environment actually affects how you are being, and how your being affects what's manifesting in your reality. And so in the background right here, we got some, like posters on the wall of particular, motivational speakers and, things like this. The reason I have this is for inspiration, right? For motivation to get stuff done. These are very like masculine energy type people behind me. They're not necessarily on the spiritual side, so to speak. They're more in the masculine energy. This is more about me taking action. And so as I see that, I feel action. I feel like doing stuff and getting stuff done. And so it's things like this. if you are, in a peaceful environment, maybe that's not conducive with being productive and getting stuff done. So over here, actually, if I can turn this around a little bit, I got my desk right here, right? And I have it facing the down part of the stairs. And then there's a wall over here. And that particular wall, I actually had the laptop facing that particular wall, and I found that I couldn't be productive with my laptop facing the wall. Why is that? I don't necessarily know 100%, but my subconscious and the way it works is that I prefer to see things that allows me to be more productive and get more stuff done. So just a little adjustment just like that can have a huge effect on your reality and the things that you're doing. So when I say things like who you surround yourself with, you become, this is entirely true. So if you're living in an apartment, maybe you have housemates, or maybe you're living by yourself or living with family, the room that you stay in the most, you want to make sure that you cleanse the energy in that room. I don't recommend burning more than 9 candles at one time. If you have a home, you only want to be burning a big home. You want to be burning 9 candles at a time. Again, 3, 6, and 9. All right. And if you have a small place and you live by yourself, just 3 candles can be enough to cleanse all of the energy in the home and just keep that peace and calm. So go and do this for the next 9 days. 9 days in a row consecutively, burning 3 candles and just allowing them to completely go out. Do not, I repeat, do not burn the candles at night. Do not fall asleep with the candles lit. All right, you want to do this earlier on in the day or midday or whatever it is. The reason for that is because we are invoking the spirit of fire, the element of fire. All right. And by invoking this particular element, you're able to tap into the spiritual reality, right? It's almost like a portal, okay? And you don't want the candle lit and keeping an open portal whilst your subconscious is completely open, all right? At night when you're sleeping, right? And so this is why you do not want to burn a candle at night whilst you're sleeping. You can burn it at night, just make sure you're not sleeping, all right? So you're consciously aware and you're awake, basically. And obviously you want to be very safe when it comes to burning fire, right? And put it in a place where it's not going to cause a fire or anything like that. As you can see, mine was on like the countertop. There's nothing around it. It's there. Sometimes I'll go out and leave it burning, for the day, just to cleanse the home, cleanse the energy in the home. But it's in a space, it's in an environment where you can do that. If you're afraid to do that, then don't do that. If you want to put them in a bowl or something like this so you feel more safe about it, you can do that. If you've got kids playing around in the house, obviously you want to be a little bit more careful. But overall, you want to be burning these every day for the next 9 days to purify the home. And after that, you can continue doing it every day to keep calm, to keep peace in the home, to keep tranquility and purity of the home, and really adding that sense of feng shui to the home and positive vibes to the home. So the second thing I want to share with you is how to manifest using candles. So after the 9 days, after the energy is cleared in your room or in your home, then you can go ahead and manifest using the power of candles. And so the way that you do this is you can burn 3 candles, or you can just burn 1 candle. And what you want to do is you just look into the flame, right? You look into the flame and then you set your intention, right? You set your intention into the flame. So you're basically sending your intention into the flame, into the spiritual realm, and manifesting that into your reality. Be careful what you wish for, right? As you know, on your birthday, you wish for things. What they do on the birthday is you say happy birthday to you, right? You say a celebration and then you feel good. Everyone's, making you feel good. You're receiving love from people. And so it puts you in a high vibrational state. And once the high vibrational state is reached, then you're able to make your intention. And then as you make your intention, you blow out the candles. In this particular example, or what we're going to be doing, you don't want to blow out the candle, okay? You want to keep it lit until it completely burns out by itself, all right? So just allow that to happen. And in the previous tip that I gave you, every single time, do not blow out the candles. You want to make them burn all the way out by themselves, all right? This is very important, okay? There's a reason behind this. You do not want to blow your intention onto the candle or blow the flame or blow the spirit away. All right, so if you have to turn out the candle, do not do it with your mouth. You can like wave with your hand like really fast to blow it out like that, or you can put water on it or something like this to just you know, burn it out. But when it comes to setting your intention, again, you want to get into a high vibrational state, just like someone celebrating you or celebrating your birthday, celebrating yourself, connecting in with source, you know, feeling good, thinking of things that you're grateful for, right? You do all of these things, and once you are in a high vibrational state, you set the intention, you focus on the candle, and you focus on what you want to manifest. All right, and you do it in a way where you feel the emotions and it's already happened. It's not like you are asking or requesting or desiring or wanting or needing. It's already done, right? What you want's already here. So you're setting the intention in that way. All right, so again, you want to do this after the 9-day cleanse of the home. You've cleansed out the energy, it's nice vibes, all this stuff. Then you go ahead and put your intention into the candle as a second step. You only ever need to do this once, but you can do it more than once if you feel it's necessary for you to do so. All right, the next tip that I want to give you, the third tip, is an actual meditation with the candle. Just one candle is required. You can use 3 if you want to, but it's just looking into the candle. This will help with attention deficit and dyslexia, increasing your focus, your attention, giving your mind the ability, or training the mind to focus on one thing at a time. So in our reality, we've got loads of distractions, we've got social media, we've got all this stuff that's popping off. And so if you spend, you know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes a day just focusing 100%, getting that laser focus on the candle without looking in any other direction, and just tuning your energy into the candle and staring into it, it really helps with increasing your focus and making it become more laser sharp. All right, and again, you want to do this for like 10-20 minutes a day, and over time this will increase your ability to manifest. Another way to do it is just have the candle lit, you close your eyes, just relax your being, and just focus on your intention and the thing that you want to manifest into your life. Feel the feelings of it, even visualizing it, and sort of like connecting with the energy of the fire or the spirit of the fire, and this will assist in manifesting that into your reality. And don't forget to get your free law of attraction energy reading or your free law of attraction manifestation diagnosis session. You can get those with the link in the description. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is create a customized video just for you. We are getting loads of people coming in for this, and it's very overwhelming. So please give me some time to create these. Spots will be very limited for the manifestation diagnosis session. So make sure you get that right now. And when a spot comes available, make sure you go book it straight away. Because again, we're filling up fast. This is in high demand, and you know, I can only do so much work within a day, right? So if you want that and you want to find out where your vibrational frequency is right now, you want to find out where you can get to, or what's possible for you, and what you can manifest into your life, or what's blocking you and stopping you from getting to that next level, then go ahead and get that free energy reading, that law of attraction energy reading. Leave a comment below with what you thought about this video, and if you would like me to make more videos about candles, or maybe things like incense and things like this. And remember to keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace.